Et coucou YouTube, on se retrouve pour une quête. Encore et toujours, n'est-ce pas? Alors, cette fois-ci, c'est sûrement une quête de personnage, mais pour Flins, parce que c'est Ophar. Donc, Ophar, cimetière de la nuit finale, Notcry. Explorer l'île. Faut pas. Explorateur résonne sur l'île. Il n'y a personne aux alentours et l'unique phare reste silencieux dans l'obscurité. Hop. On va se faire ça. Et puis voilà. Let's go! Parce que ça, j'ai pas vu de quête de personnage, donc peut-être c'est ces trucs comme ça. Je sais pas du tout. Il y avait une quête ici aussi, je me rappelle. Faut que j'oublie. Ah bah c'est le trailer. Hein.
Oh, gloomy skies overhead. Oh, just like the last time we were here. The air's all icky and sticky and dark and damp.
What the fuck?
Oh, we didn't get a good look then. All Paimon remembers is that really tall tower. So, let's explore the area more fully this time. Wait, is that?
Et oui, c'est Flins. T'as quelle élégance quand même.
Ah, good day, you two. Assuming I don't have the time wrong.
Honnêtement, je ne sais même pas quelle heure il est, moi non
Then let us
plus.
forego these niceties. It is always dark here in the final night cemetery. Time becomes somewhat meaningless.
Oh, cette musique. Ici, elle est tellement douce.
Phew. Well, it's good to see a familiar face, especially in this darkness. Oof, it really gives you the heebie-jeebies.
C'est vrai ça. Pourquoi il fait autant aussi sombre?
You needn't worry. This is my humble abode and the tomb of the Lightkeepers. And while somewhat dark, it is on the whole a safe place.
Ah, elle est beau quand même, hein, Flintz. Hein. Quand même le dire. Hein.
That being said, I rarely receive visitors here, save for the occasional colleague. What brings you two here?
Well, to be honest, we just wanted to see where you live. We were in such a rush last time, we didn't get to do a proper tour.
I see. In that case, as guardian of the tombs here in the Final Night Cemetery, allow me to extend the warmest of welcomes to you both. On behalf of the spirits
L'esprit qui
who
sommeille
slumber
ici
here
pour
eternally.
l'éternité. Je me demande, parce que dans l'Archon Quest, on en avait entendu parler, comme quoi il y avait un quartier général des gardiens de lumière. Je me demande si dans les prochaines patchs, on pourra voir ce fameux quartier, où il se trouve peut-être à Snezhnaya. Ça peut être intéressant.
You mean there really are ghosts here?
Bye.
That is correct. As you may have noticed, this island is dotted with headstones.
Accueillant.
You might think of
Bien
it as
sûr.
a veritable necropolis filled with souls. Isn't it a welcoming thought?
Not at all. This place just got scarier.
Ah, apologies. It was meant merely as a gesture of the hospitality that you deserve as guests. We don't receive many visitors here, after all. But I suppose it is a tall order to expect people to suppress their fear
No.
of ghosts. Even so, I do hope your visit shall be a pleasant one.
Un fantôme ne fait pas peur. Hein. Bien qu'au au premier coup d'œil, ça peut faire peur. Mais que tant qu'elles ne sont pas malveillantes, tout va bien.
The spirits on this isle, while somewhat old-fashioned and hardly gregarious, are an unassuming crowd who keep to themselves. I have found they make perfectly decent neighbors. If you still have misgivings, I can only suggest that you avoid staying outside where possible. The ghosts do not tend to set foot indoors very often.
Croyez-vous en aux fantômes YouTube? Pas dans un commentaire.
Although that might render your sightseeing experience a little less riveting. Let me think. Most of the camps on this isle have been removed, and only the lighthouse remains, symbolizing the many battles the Lightkeepers have fought against the Wild Hunt. In that regard, it has quite a bit of historical
Il
value.
nous fait sa meilleure visite
thus
touristique.
well worth seeing.
Mais pourquoi le phare n'est pas allumé d'ailleurs?
Yeah, that was the first thing we saw when we arrived.
Non, merci Paimon.
It's a lighthouse, huh? What happened to the light?
Years of disrepair and a shortage of fuel, I'm afraid. As this island became abandoned, maintaining the lighthouse became increasingly difficult. Besides, even if we were to rally sufficient manpower to repair it, it would serve little purpose these days.
Pourquoi?
In the past, it guided people on their way to and from the island. But all those people now lie beneath our feet in eternal rest.
Sage.
Well, that is perhaps not entirely accurate. They do sometimes come running out, speaking once familiar utterances into the void. In which case, since you are not used to the darkness that shrouds this island, you could consider restoring the lighthouse to illuminate your way. I too know well the comfort that a distant ray of light can bring on those lone journeys through the cold night.
On peut vraiment toucher au phare des gardiens de lumière?
It is an important testament to our history. But as is the case with many once
Ça c'est un peu triste quand même que les choses soient restées à l'abandon. Surtout qu'à tout moment, ça peut permettre à des touristes ou je ne sais quoi d'être guidés par ce fameux phare et donc du coup permettre que des choses à l'abandon puissent ne plus l'être.
Not that the Lightkeepers have forgotten about it, of course. We are simply spread too thinly. But you will merely be lighting it up, not vandalizing it. Rest assured, you will face no objections. As such, you should have no issues using it, so long as it helps you. I believe there should still be some backup fuel for the lighthouse stored in an old tent to the north. That should be enough to serve your present needs.
On a une vieille tente, ok.
If you should need to find me, I will be in an underground basement on the north side. That's where I will be sorting through my reports.
Non, mais c'est là où on t'avait vu dans Arcane Quest.
I will meet up with you once I have completed my urgent tasks.
Thiébaut, Flins, Thiébaut. Oh, quelle musique. Ouais, je...
There really are a ton of headstones here on this isle. And they're all so old you can't make out the words on them at all.
Merci, tu vois, t'arrives à lire. Paye-moi la menteuse. Merde. Ah, c'était pas là? Je crois que c'est... Ah bah si, regardez, c'est là. Oui, on fait que visiter, hein. Une lettre. Comment ça, une lettre?
In need of my help so soon?
Tout de suite, je regarde ta lettre. J'ai reçu votre demande de provision, le quartier général l'a approuvé, alors je demanderai à Iluga de vous l'apporter la prochaine fois. PS, êtes-vous sûr de ne pas vouloir d'animal de compagnie comme un chiot ou un chaton? Vous ne m'avez pas répondu, alors je vous ai trouvé un chien. Si vous continuez à m'ignorer, Iluga ramènera le chien au cimetière de la nuit finale. Signé votre ami Nikita. Ok. Ok. Hop. Bon, il n'y a rien du tout ici au fin de compte. Là, par exemple, je me demande si la découverte de cet endroit, ça va faire partir de l'anime de Genshin.
ghost over there?
Ah, on peut lui parler au fantôme.
Either way, let's try not to get their attention. Let's just grab the fuel and go.
Ok,
The sky is so dark. I'm scared.
ah.
They're staring at me.
You sure took your time, didn't you? Come on, help me shift this fuel. It's almost time for our
Ah, ils
next
étaient au
shift.
phare.
Does he mean...
Ne t'inquiète pas, je suis là.
Look at you, shaking like a leaf. You scaredy cat.
Tiens.
How you made the cut as a ratnik, I'll never know. Come on, grab your stuff and let's go. Perhaps I'll even tell you a ghost story on the way.
What? A ghost telling us ghost stories? Wait, hang on. Was he just trying to scare us?
Oui.
You ever heard of the blue fire?
Du feu bleu. De quoi, Flint?
As we all know, when you're out walking out at night, you should never look behind you, and never look all the way down at the ground. Always look ahead into the distant skies.
Ouais.
Well, that's because the Wild Hunt watches us from the darkness. They wait for you to lose your way in the fog, and then, when you're at your most vulnerable, they come and take your life. That's why it's dangerous to travel alone in the dead of night. But sometimes, if you're lucky, you'll see a blue lantern shining out in the darkness.
Une lanterne bleue apparaît si tu as de la
They
chance.
say it only appears if you've run into the Wild Hunt or if you can't find your way at night.
Une lanterne
Either
bleue.
way, if you ever see the blue lantern appear,
Non, mais c'est celle de
you must
Flint, quoi.
remember to follow it. Don't ask me what it is, cause I don't know. My granddad says it's one of the Fae that used to live in Nodcry in ancient times. But it could equally be the ghost of one of our fallen warriors. One who truly hated the Wild Hunt.
Du coup, on pourra, quand on ira à Schnejdania, peut-être des récits passés de Flint, en fait, vu que c'est univers là.
Whatever it is, the blue lantern seems to be on our side. The side of the Light Keepers. I'll bet that's why the Starshina wants to make offerings to it on the island.
Le Starshina. Starshina.
Look at me talking away.
Ça va être le chef des gardiens de lumière,
Still
peut-être.
got fuel to move.
Wait, but we brought all the fuel with us. What's this guy talking about?
All right, I'd better get back. See you later, scaredy cat. It's nearly time for my shift.
Oh, finally, we're here. Let's find where the fuel goes and pour it in.
J'aimerais bien utiliser cette jumelle, là, cette loupe. Trouve la fente pour le carburant et il verse le bidon. Ah,
Woohoo! The
tu
lights
dis
are
bien.
on. This should make things way easier.
Ah, d'ailleurs, il y a même la prochaine destination, là, ici. Ah, mais ici, je pense que c'est un peu la chasse sauvage. Parce qu'en fait, il y avait un peu de texture et c'était très coloré, mais très ténébreux à la fois. Ici, là. Ah bah il y a tellement de fantômes.
Great, the light's on. Guess I won't have to worry about moving fuel anymore.
Hey, it's the ghost from before who was talking about moving fuel. What's he doing over here?
The Wild Hunt came. It passed through all the graves.
Ah.
The fog clung to our ears, stuck to our mouths. We couldn't see or hear each other.
What's he talking about? Has the Wild Hunt
Non mais
really
c'était
showed
quand
up?
avant qu'il soit mort, je crois.
To the lighthouse! To the lighthouse! We've got to get a
Oula.
signal to the units outside before they reach us. Don't just stand there gaping. Pull yourself
Bloodski.
together. Every second we hesitate could mean another dead comrade. Have you forgotten how to send signals? Come on, I've told you before, a light keeper always has to be prepared.
Ah ouais, c'est vraiment le chef de tous ces morts quoi en fait.
We're all gonna die. They'll strip the bones from our spines.
Something's off. All the ghosts are coming this way.
Oula.
We too shall cry tears of blood. The Wild Hunt is here! We've got to think of something quick! Okay. We'll try and stall them at the base of the lighthouse while you head up to the top.
Up to the top. Signal. Think of something.
If you've forgotten how to send signals, check the handbook. We nailed it to the tower for moments just like this.
Do not fear, host. Do not fear, host.
Ah, elle avait la même cicatrice qu'une meuf dans l'Archon Quest, là, dans le bar.
Don't leave our bodies to the Wild Hunt.
C'était peut-être sa mère.
Beg of you, that is no way to die.
Death. Wild Hunt. Go to the lighthouse.
Whew. The ghosts have surrounded the tower. Sounds like they need us to head up, find the handbook, and use the lamp to send a signal out.
Lighthouse.
Aïe aïe aïe.
Everlasting night.
Guide des signaux lumineux. Ah, c'était pas le truc... Oui, voilà ça. On avait lu ça. Liste de références pour les signaux lumineux et suivant. Vous devez mémoriser les signaux lumineux correspondants afin de ne pas envoyer de messages incorrects. Détresse, cours, long, cours, long, cours, cours. Pour l'orientation, cours, long, cours. Rappel, long, cours, long. Sécurité, cours, long, cours. Je sais pas qu'il va pas, il va. Donc c'est cours, long, cours, détresse, cours, long, orientation, long, cours, pour rappel et cours, long. Cours long pour sécurité.
Handbook says that we've
FF.
got to aim the lamp in the right direction. There are 5 signal types: distress, warning, guidance, summoning, and all safe.
Utiliser le phare. Ah oui, mais comment? Ah, comme ça? Vers la direction indiquée par la goule. Hein? Ah, mais il l'indique direct. Le signal de détresse. Donc ça, c'est cours long, c'est ça? Non, je sais plus.
Exploration and trials. Adventuring is right up my alley.
Okay, the signal is sent. Let's go check on the ghosts.
Ouais, ils sont paniqués de fou, là. Ils sont complètement paniqués, les bougs. Ah, les flints.
What happened here?
Que s'est-il
Ran
passé
into a
ici?
spot of bother? A whole host of ghosts surrounded the lighthouse. I sent them away to prevent them from blocking the area. And when they saw the lighthouse flashing, they departed.
Oh, it was pretty scary. They completely surrounded us and begged us to help them.
C'était une situation
I
inattendue.
sensed it too. This graveyard is bereft of life save for passing birds, the insects underground, and myself. Normally it's so quiet you can hear yourself breathing. Up until just now, that is. When these ghosts started getting agitated.
C'est à cause de nous, comme d'habitude.
Was it because of the lighthouse?
Là, c'est ça une nivelle quand même. Par contre, c'est marrant. Ici, il y a un semi-truc. Que s'il avait les yeux véritablement ouverts, un peu comme moi, Lani, ça pourrait créer comme si c'était un cercle. Faut raconter à la fin ce qui s'est passé.
They asked you to send a signal out. How peculiar. In my experience, they have never coerced or harmed anyone in any way.
Ah oui, mais toujours une poignée de fer avec nous.
This can only mean that lighting the lighthouse has somehow caused a change in them. I must say, this is quite out of the ordinary.
Où sont passés les fantômes de tout à l'heure?
Unfortunately, although I saw them leaving, I did not get the chance to ask them where they were going.
De toute façon, ils peuvent pas quitter l'île. Hein.
But you sent a distress signal out, yes? I
Qu'est-ce qui se
suspect
passe
that
avec
may
eux?
give us some clues. Ghosts are the echoes of living souls. A portion of their thoughts and memories that, for certain reasons, fails to enter the ley lines at the moment of their death. and thus they linger on the surface. The ghosts in question were lightkeepers in life, and as such, I believe the lighthouse is deeply embedded in their memories, something they are instinctually drawn to. Relighting it must have stirred something in their memories, causing them to depart from their usual behavior. You might not be aware of this lighthouse's past, but it once served a great many functions.
Oui, oui, oui,
From
parce qu'on avait
guiding passing
compris.
merchants and lightkeeper fleets to reporting on the Wild Hunt's activity in the
Entre
surrounding
guider et
area.
signaler, ouais.
In the days before this was a graveyard, its light was never once extinguished. It came to symbolize the hope and warmth that the Lightkeepers sought to bring to Nodcry. But alas, the light of this historic outpost was snuffed out in a conflict against the Wild
Des
Hunt
décennies.
several decades ago.
Hmm.
According to our internal records, that conflict cost the island
Ah, merde.
90% of the troops stationed here. The Starshina of that time eventually decided to send a warning signal to the outside.
Le Star... En fait, je me rappelle plus c'est quoi le Star China. Ils l'ont expliqué ou pas?
A warning signal? So, they didn't use
Ah,
it
c'est
to
peut-être
strike
leur
the
quartier
lighthouse?
général, le Star China.
Indeed. The warning signal saved the nearby merchant fleets and patrolling lightkeeper ships. Without it, they likely would have been pulled into the fighting with little knowledge of the situation. But at the same time, this signal also cut the troops on the island off from any possibility of
Ah
rescue.
merde.
The Lightkeeper Oath contains a line that goes as such. Our bones and blood we shall use as fuel. We shall make life greater than death.
Triste, hein.
It is a line that strikes at the very heart of our principles. Should we find ourselves at a great disadvantage, we are to prioritize the preservation of life and ensure humanity's
bien
long-term
triste.
survival. After all, the Wild Hunt is a never-ending threat, while our numbers are limited.
Mhm.
This principle is most cruel to those who must sacrifice themselves. And yet, most of us willingly abide by it.
C'est tellement triste quand même.
Shoot! So we sent out a distress signal, but what
Ah
did we
merde.
actually want? It was for us to send a warning signal, right?
Est-ce qu'on
You
a...
feel you unwittingly did something wrong? No, I don't think so. Ghosts are but the memories of people that once were. You may have stirred up those memories, but that is all they are. Those to whom they once belonged are long gone.
Ouais, je suis sûr qu'il y a un fantôme vengeur qui va nous casser le huc, comme d'habitude.
Still, I can see that you're concerned about them. And truthfully,
La
so
base,
am
quoi.
I. If you wish to find them, just follow me.
Yep.
Ah, yes. And please do not be
Comment ça,
alarmed
hein?
by anything strange we may encounter along the way.
Comment ça, quelqu'un d'étrange? Ah. Incroyable, on le joue, ouais. Vas-y, fais voir les détails là. Oh là là. Ouais, ben. Et est-ce que ça veut dire qu'on a son arme? Non, on n'a pas son arme. Ouais. Oh, t'as vu, vous avez vu, c'était trop stylé l'émission du fantôme. Là. On va profiter d'être avec lui. Bon, c'est vrai qu'on a Flint's C3, R3 juste pour une balade. La tristesse. Mais au moins, c'est bien, on profite du personnage. À moins qu'il ne soit sorti.
Be silent.
Oh!
Close your eyes.
Ah, et du coup, maintenant il fait des trucs électriques. Ah, par contre, l'animation elle est magnifique, hein. La vache.
preserve.
Ah ouais, d'accord, paf, paf, paf.
Close your eyes.
Et c'est quoi son nul? Comment tu utilises? Ouais, il faut peut-être des ennemis. Ok. Ah, intéressant.
Paimon sees them! They're all gathering on the beach!
Had reinforcements arrived on the day of that battle, they would have landed here. You have to understand that ghosts are hard to reason with. A better way to communicate is to give them key information that might provoke some sort of a reaction. How about this? We'll go in together, but I'll handle the communication. After all, I am not only a lightkeeper myself, but also very accustomed to dealing with ghosts.
Yeah, babe.
Don't come near us.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Save us.
Help is on the way.
The wild hunt is coming in too fast. There's no time. Let us stay here and take them down with us.
En fait, ce que je comprends, ils voulaient surtout, parce que la chasse est arrivée tellement vite, se sacrifier pour que les autres puissent se sauver.
This place will be enough of a graveyard by the time the night is through. Don't send more people to their deaths.
So, you don't need rescuing?
No, we do. Please.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
We can't hold on much longer. Everyone else is gone, and we are lost. What more can we do? Please, someone, anyone, save us.
Ignite the blue lantern. It will guide you far from the wild hunt.
The Blue Lantern cannot bring back souls from the dead. Even if you light him up, he can help you destroy what remains of the Wild Hunt. But he cannot save you.
Don't rescue us.
Aïe, aïe,
Don't
aïe.
come any closer. No, wait. Help us, please. Someone, anyone.
Pourquoi c'est peut-être pour ça qu'ils sont encore là, parce que les regrets les poussent tellement à rester, parce qu'ils auraient voulu être sauvés, si c'est ce que je comprends.
What's this supposed to mean? Do they want help or don't they?
Those poor souls. On the one
Ah
hand,
bah oui,
they
ils
hoped
sont...
that someone would send out a distress signal and save their lives. On the other, they did not wish to call in reinforcements only to send them to their deaths.
Ah, donc c'est difficile en vrai, hein. Décimé entre chagrin de ne pas avoir été sauvé et acceptation du fait d'au moins eux ils sont morts, mais pas les renforts qui sont arrivés, quoi.
And so they sought the help of the Blue Lantern spoken of in local legend.
Mais c'est toi la
Indeed,
légende.
one such lantern was still preserved on this island. That ought to have been their last hope in a time of desperate need. But to my great regret, it is of no use to them now.
Will any other horrible things happen?
They will recall the unfathomable suffering they experienced in their final
Mon
moments.
Dieu.
I will do what I can to comfort them.
We shall part the snow curtain of the sky and blast the winter winds across the wasteland.
We have sworn an oath, and so we must fight
Ah,
to the end.
des goats.
We cannot wait for them to come. We are the last ones. Pick up your weapon.
Whisky?
We are the light keepers who shine the eternal light of hope into the endless snow-swept plains.
Wait, Flintz! It seems like these ghosts have rallied.
C'est vrai que c'est difficile à comprendre les fantômes, hein. Parle vraiment de la colère à la tristesse, à la détresse et à l'héroïsme cette fois-ci.
Again, they are but the replaying memories of once living people. It is not the ghosts who have rallied, but the Lightkeepers who fought to the bitter end. Viewing the world through human eyes is like looking into a kaleidoscope.
Ah, c'est sa phrase dans le trailer de Livestream.
Complex and yet so beautiful.
J'ai la ref.
The sorrow and reluctance in the face of death. The longing for a life of peace and stability. The surprising valor that wells up in the hour of despair. If it were up to you, traveler, would you wish to do something for them?
Si cela n'était qu'à vous, Céleste, auriez-vous souhaité faire quelque chose pour eux? Je les aurais peut-être aidés.
Is that so? A response befitting an adventurer of your caliber. Personally, I do feel inclined to do something for them. To help these shadows of the heroes that once were forget the death that will soon be upon them. In time, the memories and yearning of these ghosts will fade, and slowly return to the ley lines. But that time has not yet come.
Ouais, parce que vos lignes énergétiques sont plutôt stables par rapport à Natlan.
My dear Retniki, I am Kirill Chudamirovich Flintz. Once upon a time, it was I who retrieved your fallen bodies from the battlefield. Now, let me once more lay you to rest, for you are worthy of my respect and earnest esteem.
Comme le lanterne bleu que vous connaissez.
Look upon my flame and wander no longer. Return to your graves and forever rest in peace.
Oula.
6 feet under may you slumber in your erstwhile homeland, and in sweet dreams return to the ley line's embrace.
Laisse-moi prendre une photo quand tu mets tes yeux illuminés là. We don't have the time. Oh.
Some of their memories and thoughts have been dispersed. The rest will later return to their usual state.
Que leur esprit retrouve la paix.
To me, they are both warriors whose memories should be honored, and my gentle, friendly neighbors. Unfortunately, I did not know most of their names. But my short interaction with them has deposited some of their memories within my flame. At the very least, I know now that the gentleman who moved fuel and loved to tell the tale of the
Aimo
was named Aimo.
Et Itu.
And the comrade he always called out to was named Itu. Many of the ghosts on this island may have...
Attends, pardon. Ah oui, d'accord.
Go changes like Aimo. But if you're in the mood to keep exploring, would you come with me?
Ah, bien sûr.
I'd like to get to know them better still. It would be my honor.
You will be my honor. Oh, petite cinématique. Oh, Loma, qu'est-ce qu'elle fout là, elle? Quand soudainement, Micheline. Partagez les sauts Luna obtenus dans Aventure. J'ai pas le temps de lire. Après avoir rempli certains critères, vous pouvez offrir les sauts Luna que vous obtenez au cours des aventures à notre travail afin de contribuer à la construction de points de rassemblement, augmentant ainsi votre niveau de construction et vous permettant d'obtenir des précieuses ressources. Oui, c'est un peu comme tout le reste, quoi. Oh! Ah mais c'est ça que j'ai pas fait. C'est ça les chroniques Séléniques qui reset là. Et merde. Île de Paha, exploration 59. Oui, bon, voilà. Du coup, il y en a 5, ok. Eh, on aura le phare, oh, c'est stylé. D'après la capacité d'exploration du détecteur de trésor Luna. Quoi? Comment ça? Tous les Oculus et la plupart des coffres en 10 le concernant à la zone. Mais je veux ça, moi. Pourquoi j'ai pas ça? Ah, du coup, je l'ai niveau 2. Équipé. Regardez les récompenses. Par contre, il est magnifique le design là. Comment je le prends en photo directe? Ok. Ah d'accord, il faut avoir un taux de pourcentage d'exploration. Ah c'est cool en vrai, parce que du coup c'est 70 et 90, ouais. C'est pas mal, ça force un petit peu les gens à explorer quand même. Puis 90% d'exploration c'est très très bien. Surtout la facilité d'explorer, genre. Parler aux fantômes perdus. Ah, il n'y a pas de coffre. Je pense qu'on s'est fait berner. Ah ouais, il a été. Il est où le fantôme perdu là? On va quand même faire celui-là. Vu que c'est la suite. Je vois des choses ou bien est-ce que cette marmite est en train de bouger? Comment ça? Bah, elle bouge pas là. Oh, il faut du bus hein. Du coup j'ai... On trouve un cas survivant ici, juste des monstres hurlants et des cadavres. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Où va-t-on? On peut que suivre la direction indiquée par le phare. Mais y aurait-il qu'un autre d'autre pour nous guider? Utiliser le phare pour guider les fantômes. Ok. Ah, qu'est-ce qu'elle est belle, Loma, quand même, comme ça. Ah, mais là, Flint. Pas son meilleur petit déjeuner, là. Oh là là, oh là là. Ah, c'est cool, quand même, là, le phare. Hein. Ah, quoi? Vers le large. Non, je crois pas que si, il faut faire ça. Guidage. Ah, c'était ça? Je pense que ça doit suffire pour indiquer le chemin aux fantômes. Ah, magnifique. Comment vous appelez-vous? La main sur le cœur comme ça, moi je trouve que c'est vraiment un geste des plus admirables, magnifiques. Je trouve que bah, parfois un simple geste peut dire tellement plus que de simples mots. Et je comprends pas le truc sélénique là. Flintz, réponds-moi.
Another 3 reports. Did they make you write reports in the Adventurers Guild too?
Pas souvent.
How very fortunate. I have never been able to get used to the endless cycle of report after report. I dare say we had no such custom in the Nod Cry of old. Of course, I understand why they are important, but this process of repeatedly describing in laborious detail things that could easily be summarized in a single sentence.
Bienvenue dans la paperasse.
Exhausting. The mere thought of the outstanding reports I have yet to fit. No, I mustn't. These things are necessary. I should focus a little longer here and then I'll get back to it.
Oh, bébou.
Just a little longer.
Rev the engines.
Bah alors, Micheline. Non, c'est... Oui, c'est là. Quel con. J'ai perdu la mémoire. C'est quoi ça? Vers un ciel promis, les priorités avant tout. Ah, je comprends rien. Ah, c'est des quêtes plus tard, quoi, en gros. Quête d'histoire, comment ça? Bref, des bisous YouTube. Ah, j'espère que ça t'a plu, cette petite découverte de l'histoire des fantômes perdus, bien sûr. On aura peut-être d'autres trucs, d'autres quêtes. Je sais pas. En tout cas, des bisous. Et puis, à une prochaine fois. Ciao, ciao.